Hi, Year 10. Today we're going to be looking at angles and polygons. This is page 13 in your workbook. Okay, I'm going to start off by showing you how to fill in this table here, okay? And then I want you to finish the table off, and that's your work for today. Okay, now, first of all, we're going to look at a three-sided shape here, okay? So three-sided shape is obviously a triangle. Okay, so I'm going to write that in. Triangle. Okay. Now, it's a wee bit silly for this first one, but it says number of triangles. Well, obviously the number of triangles in a triangle is 1. The sum of the interior angles, so we should all know that the angles in a triangle adds up to 180. Okay, so the sum of all the angles is 180 degrees. Okay, and the size of each interior angles, well, this is for a regular shape. Okay, so I'm just going to type regular. Okay, and a regular polygon, a polygon is just a shape with straight sides. Okay, that's all a polygon is. A regular polygon is just a shape where all the sides are the same and all the angles are the same. Okay, so if there's a 180 degrees in a triangle and all the angles are the same, we just do 180 divided by 3 equals 60 degrees. Okay? Right, now, next shape. Number of sides, well, it's going to be 4. Four-sided shape, quadrilateral. Okay. Number of triangles in a quadrilateral. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. So let's go over to our square. Here's your square. And all you're going to do is you're going to pick any corner. I'm going to pick this corner here. And you're going to draw a line from this corner to every other corner. So we'll draw one at the top left, top right, and bottom right. And we've got 2 triangles in this shape. Okay? So let's go back. The number of triangles in this shape is 2. The sum of the interior angles, well, all we needed to remember was that there's 180 degrees in one triangle. So in 2 triangles, it's 2 times 180, which is 360 degrees. And then the next column is the size of each interior angle. Well, there's 4 sides, so we'll do this sum of all the angles, which is 360, divided by 4, which is 90 degrees. Okay? Next, number of sides is going to be 5. A 5-sided shape is called a pentagon. Okay. Number of triangles. Well, let's see. Here's a pentagon. So again, you can pick any corner. I'm going to pick this one at the top. And then you draw a line from this corner to all the other ones. So that 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3 triangles. Okay, so let's remember that. 3 triangles. So the sum of the angles is 3 times 180. So 3 times 180. Which is 540. Okay, so that means all the angles inside a pentagon add up to 540 degrees. Now we want to find the size of each angle if it's a regular pentagon. In other words, if all the angles and all the sides are the same. So we'll do 540 degrees. We'll divide by 5 sides, which is 108 degrees. Okay. Right, guys, if you're happy enough to just get started by yourselves, by all means, you can stop this video and you can get going. If not, I'm going to do one more for a 6-sided shape. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in. 6-sided shape is called a hexagon. Next question is number of triangles in a hexagon. Well, let's find our hexagon. Where is it? Here it is here. So let's pick this corner and we'll draw a line to every other corner. we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles drawn, okay? Only draw from the corner. So, six-sided shape, we have 4 triangles, which means all the angles add up to 4 times 180, which is 720 degrees. Okay, and then if it's a regular hexagon, all the angles will be 720 divided by 6 corners, which is 120 degrees. Okay, right, now I want you to fill that in for obviously a 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sided shape. Okay, you can use all these shapes around the sheet to help you. All the best now, good luck.